Welcome to Cal State, Los Angeles, here with Chef Will. Today we're gonna make a salad today. A very simple, easy salad you could use right in your dorm room to prepare. First off, you're gonna need peas, corn, tomato, carrots, avocado, spring mix. For your dressings, you're gonna need parsley, lemon juice, lime juice, olive oil, honey, and salt and pepper to taste. Okay, so first thing we're gonna start off with, guys, we're gonna start off with the vinaigrette. You're gonna need like 2 ounces of parsley, in here, 4 ounces of olive oil, 2 ounces of lime juice, 2 ounces of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. Tighten it up and shake. The reason we put this in a jar, if you don't use it all, you can put it in the refrigerator and it's ready to go. Okay, now we're gonna start building our salad. First off, we're gonna use a nice clean vessel. We're going to put our spring mix in first. We're gonna put our carrots on. We're gonna put our peas on. We're gonna put our corn on. Our tomato, we're gonna wedge them on the side, like a little fan. A little fancy here. As you can see, now we're gonna cut the avocado. Honey in the dressing. You got the honey, guys. All right. We got the honey, well, we got it back right. All right, got the dressing there. We left off here. Got our avocado in half. We're gonna take a butter knife and cut it with grooves. Take the pieces out. We're gonna fan it here on the bowl. Also, we got tuna. We're gonna put tuna here. When you're all done, shake your dressing up again. Drizzle over top, as much as you like. Here's your salad.